Spring 2024 lawnmower startup, or hopefully startup. This is the Craftsman M105 140cc lawnmower. I don't know what the horsepower is in this thing. I got this in the latter portion of summer 2022, probably in August or September, and I used it for the rest of that summer and all of last summer, which is actually quite a few hours because I cut the grass often, and I use it for leaf pickup as well into the fall, so it sees quite a bit of use. It worked pretty good the first year. Last year it also worked fine, but it was a little bit dodgy. It just wasn't running quite as good as it used to, so I'm a little nervous this year if it's going to hold up or not. I've already got my money's worth out of it, so if it quits this year, it quits this year. I was actually hoping to replace it this spring until I lost access to Facebook Marketplace and can no longer buy or search for a new lawnmower, a new old vintage lawnmower, but that's a whole different story. So if I happen to find a vintage one this summer, I will replace it, but until then I'll be running this one. It cuts okay. It doesn't bag the greatest, and I don't like that it doesn't have speed control. It uses a lot of extra gas for no reason. And the side discharge chute disappeared last year. I was hoping that it would turn up over the course of the summer, but it never did, so we don't have that anymore. But there's no reason why I can't just open the chute and hold it up with a tie cord or something. So the lawn doesn't need to be cut yet, but I'm just going to try to pick up some of these leaves and tame this grass that's by the house, this onion grass or whatever it is. So let's see what happens. Well, it worked. So it's got that going for it at least. As you can see, the leaves do blow out in front of it, which is what I was talking about when I said it doesn't bag that well. That's the main reason I want to replace it. But it worked, and it will get us through this summer, hopefully, until something vintage shows up.